What's going on, people? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be teaching you about how to use string manipulation. Okay, so basically, first thing I say in string manipulation, it's totally easy. Okay, let's try to use that. Okay, now let's say you have two names. The first name is equal to my name. Let me take my name. That will be uh, Pritham, and then I'll go for the last name. Sorry, last name, that will be Dev. So the value Pritham and the Dev is stored in the variable called first name and the last name. Now what I do, I'll concatenate this string. Sorry, okay, concatenate this string. So my full name will be, so in the what double quotes you need to specify first name, and then you need to specify last name. So this will basically store my first name and the last name. Now if I do echo and then print my full name, if I need to print full name with the dollar symbol, then full name, this will basically print my full name. So this is how you can concatenate the string. Okay, the next thing is that okay, now you need to substring. So there is a string, you need to reduce it to if there is a 26 character string, then you need to reduce it 13, so something like that. Okay, for that also I'll show the example. So this will be based on substrings, substring extractions. Okay, don't think like that, that is just a sentence I've given. Okay, so what I do, so original what so what this is the original string. So basically, let's say hello world. So this will be the original string. So now what I do, I'll do substring. So substring is equal to, then in the double quotes I specify a dollar, and in the flower bracket I specify original string. Then what I say that I don't need the whole thing, I need only to fifth, only to 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now if I print echo and then sub, if I print substring with the dollar symbol, sub string, so this will basically remove the word, and it will basically take from 0 1 2 3 4. So here there is a space, but you can't see that. Okay, so this is how we can use substring. Okay, so go for the next one will be string length. How do you check the string length? So basically I'll do text. Okay, so speed. Okay, text is equal to, so this is simple text. Okay, this will be the simple text. This text will be stored in the text variable. Now what I do, I'll take on one more variable, and then I'll take in the for bracket I specify hash, and then I specify which string I need to count, and then I do echo, then I specify the length of the string. The length of the string is, then with the dollar symbol I'll specify the length. So this will basically print that is 21. So if you count from year to year, you can see it is totally 21. Okay, so there is many things you can do with string manipulation. Not only this, you can use a grep command, set command, awk command, which I already did the course on this. Sorry, I have already did the video on this. You can watch in my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye.